Hello my friends, welcome to this third video about the jigsaw. In the first video we have seen information about the machine itself. In the second I have shown you several types of cuts, and in this one I will show you other types of cuts, and with this you should be really fine for doing your works. Now let's learn on how to cut a sneak into the piece of wood. Now we're going to make a sneak for passing on the pipes in the back of a kitchen cupboard, for instance. I make a width of 4 centimeters. It's not very precise because it's in the back, so we don't need to spend too much time on the measurement. And let's go. So the question you're all asking yourselves is, how will we cut this part? Because my saw is not fitting in like this. Very easy, we'll find our way. Now I'm removing what's still there. And here we are. And then we can also put a little bit of lime. The file enables to avoid the splinters so that you don't hurt your fingers. Now some concrete examples about the sneak cuts. You can see here this is a lower kitchen cupboard, so the sneak head for passing by the pipes. Here another example below the sink, same example, you see the board has been cut for passing by the pipe, the vertical pipe. And the last example is this board for avoiding the dog to go upstairs. And you can see here on the lower part right the sneak, as well as on the other one on the left side, a bigger one, and this is for the board to better fit onto the stairs. Now this is quite important and often used. We'll be learning on how to cut within a surface. If you want to make a hole within a surface, you can take any tin, or let's say the lid of a jar of pickles, for instance, and you will get a very good circle ready for being cut. I'm starting to make a hole with the drilling machine, if possible close to the border of the circle. That's it, and so now I can take the jigsaw, and here I'm taking, of course, the small blade. Here two examples. One is for the kitchen hood. You see here for the evacuation pipe. On the higher part, a cut within the surface. On the bottom, a big sneak. And here another example is in the below the kitchen sink. We made this hole for enabling the plumbery to access to the sink.
And let's be crazy to finish with, I'm offering you this little gift.
Let's imagine we would like to cut within the wood the shape of a heart. So myself, I'm a very bad drawer, so I'm making here first of all a center. Then I'm making one half of the heart, then I'm making the second half. Now I'm choosing which is the best half. And now I'm cutting the cardboard. I'm opting for this piece here. And here is the half of a heart. Now we'll copy the shape we have just cut on the cardboard. So I'm reproducing a center. Now I take the first half. I'm putting with a pencil the marks of this shape. And now I'm taking the other half. This will be, of course, perfectly symmetric. That's the advantage of using this center line. So now we have the heart graved onto this piece of wood. Same than before, we are just making a hole with a drilling machine close to the border because it will be easier. And now the hole is ready for welcoming the blade of the jigsaw. Now I'm putting the blade into the jigsaw. So this is what you have already seen in my video about the introduction to the tool. And so now it's well fixed into the machine. I'm going into the hole and now I'm starting.